those most vulnerable. So together in Minnesota, we're going to have to do this that way. Everything we need to do now to distance each other from this to slow this pandemic needs to be put into place. Many of you are already taking these steps to protect your own health, your families, your neighbors, and your colleagues. But I have to say, we're seeing folks still congregating in large numbers. You've seen that the CDC had went earlier today to groups of 50, where we had put out in our emergency executive order 250. The president announced today in his press conference 10 people do that. So this is now the time. If we are going to break this chain, we can go in the direction of countries that have been able to contain this and are now on the downhill of others like Italy, who lost another 349 deaths today on behind 386 yesterday. That is a country of a much smaller population, and those numbers are getting that high. So this is the time to do that. To date, we've declared peacetime emergency because of the pandemic. We temporarily closed schools to give the administration time to plan. To protect public health and slowing today, I am issuing Executive Emergency Order 20-03 that would place partial closures of restaurants, bars, and establishments serving food and drink for dining services, as well as places of public accommodation and amusement during COVID-19 peacetime emergencies. Today's executive order will go into effect by tomorrow, March 17th at 5 p.m. and run through Friday, March 27th at 5 p.m. Examples of the closures are restaurants, food courts, cafes, coffee houses, and others that offer on-premises consumption. This does not stop takeout, curbside, or delivery. Bars, taverns, brew pubs, brewery, microbrews, tasting rooms, clubs, theaters, cinemas, museums, indoor-outdoor performance venues, gymnasiums, fitness centers, recreation centers, and so forth. Commissioner Malcolm will go into greater detail with this. This is all online for you to be able to look at the specifics around this. By issuing the order, we are enhancing mitigation measures to slow the spread. I want to be very clear. We are at a critical point here. If we get beyond that curve where community spread accelerates to the point that our hospitals can't keep up, that our respirators are not be able to, and some of the things that we need to get to folks, it becomes a really critical situation. And for us in Minnesota, I'm going to ask once again, we need folks' cooperation. To the young folks who are being told that, it's not that serious, it won't get to you, perhaps not for you, but that's not a given either, because we have young people that have found themselves needing hospitalization on this. We need to stop congregating. We're going to close the bars, we're going to close the restaurants, we're going to close the places where we gather, and understanding that this is the magnitude of what we're doing is not lost on any of us. The impositions that it will cause on people are not lost on any of us. And I have to tell you, it's one of the reasons why I have a second executive order that we're issuing today that will strengthen Minnesota's unemployment insurance trust fund and ensure establishments affected by this order will have benefits available. Commissioner Grove will talk about this. We will be extending the payments made by the employers. We will be using the unemployment trust fund and removing the wait period time on that so that benefits are delivered immediately. Minnesota has one of the most generous unemployment insurance programs in the nation, and our trust fund at this time is in solid place to be able to do this. That is the mechanism that we're going to insure these workers. As you're listening today, for yourself, your friends, your family, and your neighbors, there is a safety net that comes along with this that will allow payment on those unemployment insurance immediately. We are going to make sure, and Commissioner Franz over at Minnesota Management and Budget is shifting the state's workforce over to make sure that we're able to, and I think, again, think about this will be the single largest request of unemployment insurance in Minnesota's history. Commissioner Grove will talk about this. It will certainly be the biggest one-day influx that we have ever attempted to process. We understand the sense of urgency around this. I ask Minnesotans to bear with us, but to understand we're not coming in front of you making a closure without having the backstops in place to try and ease this. It will not make you whole, but our intention is to try and make sure that it does not destroy your family or the well-being that you have. So we will remain focused to committing the slow rate of transmission across Minnesota. It's going to take all of us. I want to reiterate before I turn it over to Commissioner Malcolm that we are keeping open grocery stores and pharmacies